What is up, everybody? It's your boy, Manfardine, back at it again with another mind-blowing video, and this time we're diving deep, like really deep, into the cosmos and exploring the mighty Jupiter. We're talking about the biggest, baddest planet in our solar system. Now, we all know Jupiter, right? It's that giant gas ball with the swirling red spot that looks like it could swallow Earth whole. But what if I told you things could be even crazier? Get ready to have your mind blown because we're about to explore 3 insane hypotheticals about Jupiter that'll make you question everything you thought you knew about space. Alright guys, first up, let's get wild and imagine Jupiter wasn't way out there but right next door to Earth. I'm talking closer than Mars, closer than the moon, like we could practically wave to the great red spot from our backyards. Imagine looking up and seeing that massive gas giant filling up the sky, its swirling storms and colorful bands visible to the naked eye. Now, before you get any ideas about taking a quick trip to Jupiter for some alien sightseeing, let me tell you, things wouldn't be so peachy. The journey might sound exciting, but the reality would be far from a vacation. First off, gravity, the big guy that keeps our feet on the ground, would go haywire. The gravitational pull from Jupiter would be so intense it would completely disrupt the balance we rely on. Jupiter's gravity is over 2.5 times stronger than Earth's, so imagine the chaos. Everything from our daily routines to the very structure of our planet would be affected. Tides wouldn't just be about the ocean anymore, we're talking massive shifts in the Earth itself. The crust would move, causing unprecedented geological activity. Earthquakes, volcanoes, you name it, they'd be popping off like firecrackers on the 4th of July. Natural disasters would become a daily occurrence, making life on Earth extremely unpredictable and dangerous. And the moon? Forget about it. Jupiter would yank it right out of orbit, sending it who knows where. Our nights would be darker and the effects on tides and wildlife would be catastrophic. But hold up, it gets even crazier. The presence of Jupiter so close would lead to dramatic cosmic events that we can't even fully predict. Remember that whole climate change thing we're dealing with? Well, with Jupiter so close, our seasons would be like a roller coaster on steroids. The weather patterns would become extreme and erratic. The temperatures would swing from scorching hot to freezing cold faster than you can say global warming. One day, you could be in a heat wave, and the next, a sudden cold snap. And get this, Jupiter's massive gravitational pull wouldn't just mess with Earth, it would throw the entire solar system out of whack. The orbits of other planets would be affected, leading to a domino effect of chaos. Planets would be colliding, asteroids flying everywhere, it'd be pure cosmic chaos. The stability of our solar system would be in jeopardy. So yeah, maybe it's a good thing Jupiter stays in its lane way out there. Our little corner of the universe is much safer with Jupiter keeping its distance. Alright, for our second mind-blowing hypothetical, let's imagine that Jupiter wasn't a giant ball of gas but had a solid surface. Can you imagine that? A planet so massive yet with a surface you could actually stand on. Landing a spaceship on Jupiter. Just think about the engineering marvels required to make that happen. First of all, let's talk about the view. Forget about those boring old gas clouds, we're talking about a landscape unlike anything we've ever seen. Imagine the colors, the textures, the sheer alien beauty of it all. Imagine towering mountains made of crystallized hydrogen, glistening under a distant sun. Vast plains of metallic helium, stretching out as far as the eye can see, and maybe even oceans of liquid methane. These lakes could shimmer in colors we've never even dreamed of. And who knows what kind of crazy life forms could be lurking down there. Creatures adapted to such extreme conditions would be unlike anything on Earth. We're talking about an environment so extreme that it would make the Mariana Trench look like a kiddie pool. The pressure, the temperature, the sheer otherworldliness of it all. We could be talking about life forms that defy our wildest imaginations. Creatures that could redefine our understanding of biology. But hold up, before we pack our bags for a Jupiter safari, let's not forget about the challenges. This isn't a walk in the park. The atmospheric pressure on Jupiter is insane, like thousands of times stronger than on Earth. It's a force that could crush anything we send there. We're talking about getting crushed like a soda can under a monster truck. The pressure is relentless and unforgiving, and the storms, oh man, the storms. These aren't your average thunderstorms. Remember the great red spot? Well, imagine that thing as a permanent hurricane. Bigger than Earth, with winds whipping around at hundreds of miles per hour. It's a storm that never ends. Not exactly ideal for a relaxing vacation, right? The weather alone would be a constant battle. But hey, a little danger never stopped us from exploring, right? The thrill of discovery is worth the risk. Think about the scientific discoveries we could make, the data, the samples, the new knowledge. Landing on a solid Jupiter would be like unlocking a whole new chapter in our understanding of the universe. It would be a monumental leap for humanity. Chapter 3. Okay guys, buckle up because this last hypothetical is a real doozy. We're diving into a scenario that's both fascinating and terrifying. Let's imagine that Jupiter, poof, just disappeared. One moment it's there, the next it's gone. Gone, vanished, like it was never there. The vast emptiness left behind would be eerie. Now you might be thinking, so long Jupiter. Good riddance. After all, it's not like we visited. But hold on a second, things wouldn't be so simple. The consequences would be far-reaching. First off, Jupiter's like the solar system's vacuum cleaner. Its massive gravity sucks in comets and asteroids like it's nothing. It's a crucial shield for us. Without Jupiter, all those space rocks would be flying around like pinballs, completely unchecked. And guess who's right in the middle of that cosmic shooting gallery? Yep, Earth. We'd be in serious trouble. We're talking about a significant increase in asteroid impacts, a real threat to our planet's safety. And I'm not talking about the little ones that burn up in the atmosphere. Those are the least of our worries. I'm talking about the planet-killing kind that wiped out the dinosaurs. But that's not all, there's more to consider. Jupiter's gravity also plays a crucial role in keeping the asteroid belt in check. It's like a cosmic traffic cop. Without Jupiter's gravitational pull, the asteroid belt would go haywire, causing chaos in the solar system, sending asteroids hurtling towards the inner solar system like a cosmic shotgun blast. It would be catastrophic. And you know what that means, right? More chances for Earth to get clobbered by these space rocks. More chances for Earth to get clobbered. It's a scenario we definitely want to avoid. So yeah, Jupiter disappearing might sound like a good idea at first, but the reality is far more dangerous. But trust me, it's not something we want to see happen anytime soon. The risks are just too high. So there you have it, folks. 3 mind-blowing hypotheticals about Jupiter that'll have you looking at the biggest planet in our solar system in a whole new light. It's crazy to think about how different things would be if even one thing changed, right? But hey, that's the beauty of space, always full of surprises and mysteries waiting to be explored. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss out on any of our future cosmic adventures. Until next time,